name is Dave Donalds. I'm one of the owners and the engineer over here at D3 Performance Engineering. Today I want to introduce our new oil cooler kit for the C7, Z06, and Stingray models. Just kind of show you some of the little differences and why we did it this way. These cars have horrible heating problems. The motor's already taxed. In our testing, we were seeing, almost 290 degrees oil temperature, almost 270 degrees engine coolant temperature. So definitely something needed to be done. We came in to address the oil cooling problem. So we actually designed our own brake duct where our oil cooler is built into it. The reason we did this is because now we have a dedicated air supply to our oil cooler, and it prevents us from putting any heat into any of the already taxed cooling system. Normally people will put an oil cooler right here. So we're in front of the radiator, in front of the heat exchanger for the intercooler. So you're just putting one heat item into another heat item into another heat item. So by doing this, we keep the hot air away from these items and just let it do its job a lot better. It's got a lot more airflow too, and we're gonna relieve some of the blockage in front of the radiator. Let the radiator fans pull more air. So our full oil cooler system is going to come with everything you need just to install on the car and go out racing. Our brake duct is going to be fully replaceable with the factory unit. So you're not going to have to drill any holes. It's going to come with all hardware. Just take the old one out, put the new one in. On the C7 base models, you'll just have to trim out. There's actually a spot where air duct would go. You just cut that area out, and then it just works just like the Z06 models. It's going to come with the pre-made lines. Are you ready to go? We're going to come with a CNC billet block adapter, and we actually are integrating a thermal valve in it. So what we're going to be able to do is for people that live up north, where on a regular system the oil would just be too cold, it's actually going to be able to bypass at 180 degrees. Once it gets to that temperature, then it will go past that and go through the cooler and keep everything at a certain temperature where it needs to be. So that's a really neat feature that we've integrated into it. So yeah, it's going to come with all the hardware, everything else that you might need to install it. Should be pretty simple install.